Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, January 31st, last day of the month, and we're going to take a look at one of the setups from the futures trading room today. Ended up playing out really well. That was a long in bonds, and what we were looking at here is, as usual, you go down to the 500 tick chart. The 500 tick is my favorite time frame for 30-year treasury bonds. Now, if you look here, what we ended up doing, you can see a really well-defined channel that we formed. So we went into consolidation to start moving sideways. Really well-defined support at 150 and then resistance. We were looking at 150 in 7/30 seconds. Well, when we went to break out of that resistance, take a look at the momentum. Very strong bullish momentum leading into that resistance break, which is exactly what we want to see. We always talk about this, looking at momentum breakouts. So we had momentum confirming the breakout to the upside. Now, the other thing that we had at the same time, or right afterwards, I should say, is a 500 tick bull flag setup. So this, the yellow dots right there telling you if it breaks that high, it triggers the flag and it should start to accelerate. So you had the bull flag setup, it triggered the flag and rapidly accelerated. Then it ended up proceeding to move forward, and we broke through first resistance. You can see we went right up to it and just popped right through it, so there's no hesitation there, so we're not looking to take profits at that one. And then second resistance, same thing. Went right up to it, popped right through it, no hesitation, and continued to climb. Then momentum starts to die off, you can see here, which means you're taking profits around this area here. Overall, not a bad trade setup for getting in, not a bad reward risk, I should say, for getting in around 150 and 9 with a stop at about 150 and 4. So a 5 tick stop loss, and you're out at 151 and 1. Or 151 even. So pretty darn good reward risk, about a 4 to 1 reward risk on that trade. So that's all I have for you for today. Keep an eye out for this type of setup. And again, my favorite time frame for trading 30-year bonds is a 500 tick chart. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Until next time, happy trading.